Chapter 33 Promises Toravon. If there's anyone in here having a rumble, off with you now, he announces to the darkened room. I pluck the oil sconce from its holder on the corridor wall and carry it with me inside, waving my guards to wait at the door. It's empty? I ask. It is. Valter strides to check behind the curtains, under the cloth of a table. He heads back to me. Yes, it is. Good. Valter, what the hell were you? He holds up both hands. Not what you think, Tor. Well, I know that, because you know her secret. He flinches, and I check, because I hadn't known that would hit him that hard. I want less to wound him than to grab his collar and shake him. If Caleb can't answer my why right now, maybe he can. Yes, he says. Tor, I told you to ask him her, and you didn't? This is hardly my fault. I feel my anger rising again, and shove it back down with all I have. Because Caleb hadn't asked me to kiss him, hadn't asked me to single him out to help me, hadn't asked for any of this. I put my hand over my eyes. It's trembling. What am I supposed to think at all? I ask. My best friend is skulking about my palace with a woman who lied to me. Yeah, he says. I'm not going to say she isn't wrong for what she's done. But Tor, she's a powerful weaver. Would you have even given her a chance to help you if you'd known she was a woman? A woman weaver in this court? Yes. It's a lie. We both know I wouldn't have. Women can't be court mages. And powerful weavers of any sex who aren't in a loyalty tie to the court are to be mistrusted, but especially those who aren't men. What if she's the one? I ask wearily. What if she is the one who, my father? Do you really believe that? Truly? His voice is flat, as if the question offends him. No, I say. She'd braced herself over me and faced down a storm for me. And she'd been beautiful then, too. Just as fierce, just as fearsome as Caleb in the moment before. Okay, then, Tor, what you do about her is your business. But talk to her, please. Whatever you have that's unresolved, work it out. For both of you, give her that chance. At least. I'm not going to commit to that, because I don't know that I could have a reasonable conversation right now, for all that I'd come looking for him. Her, is that progress in my willpower? Knowing when I'd better back off lest I explode? And what were you doing with him tonight, if not? I can't even say that he would have been kissing Caleb, or whispering his seductions in Caleb's ear. I can't even think it, because it heats me all over again. Nothing, Tor. She wanted to ask me something, and it was private. I covered for it when someone came in, just messed up her hair. He shifts, frowning, and it's another moment before he asks, do you think Caleb has it easy at all coming into this mess, this court, and getting thrown into the chaos of saving your life? Twice now, he's in the focus of your attentions, given without regard to what it's doing to him socially here in this court. The rumors surrounding you and Caleb, when everyone knows that you're going to marry in a few months. No, I'm not going to get in the middle of your whatever you have. But please, Tor, talk to Caleb. Actually listen. It might help